And this one is new, right, Rangesh?
Yes.
This is a Sprint one, right? Sprint. Do you know about this? Anything? I'm also not aware of what exactly this Sprint. This is I'm seeing first time this Sprint one, right? So Anna, do you know anything about this Sprint company?
Yeah, I'm also first time because it's newly made, na?
Okay, that's a STL Tech.
I know SL Tech about SL Tech is a hydrochloric acid.
No, yeah.
I'm just joking.
Yeah,
SL Tech is a software company and whose owner is Shiv Nadar.
Shiv Nadar. Bro, you had enough information, yeah?
Yeah.
Basically, this is an LTM Mindtree before, but I am not sure what is the right now. Yeah. Yeah. Now LTM Mindtree is vanished. Okay, so this is a HCL company and the gate of HCL company. In future, anyone you will come to give interview, then this is a placed in a Hinjawadi first. What
This is second gate actually.
Second gate.
First gate is maybe there.
Yeah. So basically this is comes in Hinjawadi phase 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah. When you come from right path, means without wrong path, then you will get to know this is in phase 1 only. Yeah, see how beautiful this company. I think this is also old company only, but it's look good. Bro, who is the CEO or owner of this company?
I think Shiv Nadar.
Shiv Nadar. Rangesh is knowledge. He is a very
because of him. It is quite good, but not that much.
Yeah, so people are come to give interview. I think, yeah, right? Yeah. This is a road for Robi Hall Clinic, and after that, this is TIDG. I'm not sure which TIDG. Do you know what is the TIDG?
That's not TIDG. T/DG there.
Huh?
Idiot.
What? Oh, sorry, bro.
The digital group.
I am idiot only, so I am
not idiot. You are so talented.
Digital Group Infotech Private Limited. I am. Oh, sorry, see, this is a T/DG Digital Group Infotech Private Limited.
Yeah.
These are some of the ANSYS, Waritech, Coastal Digital, OTS. These are some of the companies.
I think these buildings are group of small companies.
Yeah. This is one Sacha Engineerings. Okay. Sacha, whatever it may be. See, these are the plants give some aesthetic look to these companies. This is basically HCL only, right? Oh no. T/DG. TIDG. The digital group of now the bigger one. Dassault Systems. You know, this company comes under his own product. They will create their own product like what? ANSYS? No. Basically, they Katia, those Creo, something like that, right?
Yeah.
This is a Dassault. That is an old building. Dassault Systems only. That also looks great. Bro, do you know who is the owner of and from which country this company belongs?
I think this originally company is from France, but I don't know who is the owner.
Ragesh, do you know who is the owner of Dassault System?
To be honest, I don't know.
So please you can check.
Google it now.
Yeah, Google it. Please Google it. If you are not aware, then you need to Google it, right?
Okay, bro. Okay.
Yeah, this is, see how beautiful this building is. Dassault. This is a Dassault System, and these are the new buildings. Recently they were built up.
Yeah, the coming one new building.
Yeah, this is also new only. Might be 4 to 6 years before we coming to in Hinjawadi. Who is the owner of this Dassault?
Pascal Dalloz.
Pascal Dalloz.
From which country?
From which country this company belongs?
Basically, Pascal Dalloz is the CEO, not a owner. CEO of this company.
Okay. Pascal Dalloz is CEO of Dassault Systems. The construction is going on right now. These are the buses who will took who will transfer.
Construction is completed. They are just
They are
packing something.
they are doing new company. Means, what you can say?
Yeah, but they have built this.
See how beautiful this company is. The everyone's dream to work here, but who are a lucky person, they only get this place to work, right, man?
Do you know any your friend is working?
Yeah, 2-3 friends are working. From one of my colleague, college mate also working here, and after that, in my relatives, they are also working here. Yeah, few numbers I know. Yeah, how beautiful this company is, right, man? So, bro, please come in video. You can bro, come here.
Yeah, in video what you can.
No, just taking one video in front of Dassault system.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah. In future, we also try to come here and work. Okay, for Dassault
Definitely
system.
we will.
Yeah, that is also our dream. Okay. So after that. So
चालू आहे का? Yeah, but they are not having.
they are not hiring currently due to some market conditions. They are not hiring right now. But for experience, they are might be hiring. But for freshers, they are not hiring. I am not sure, but as per market condition, we can assume that, right? So, do you know what is that company? This is STPI, Software Technology Parks of India. This one is new building. I'm not sure that is a new building. Office space for rent. Midas is there also over there. This one is International Design and Engineering Solutions Private Limited, IDs. This is also here. I am also not aware. Bro, do you aware of which is the owner of that company?
No, don't.
No, okay.
Are you asking me? Actually, we don't know which is this company. So how can we know the owner of this company?
No.
You first ask. Do you know this company? Then ask next question.
Okay, sorry. My bad. Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
But
because
actually,
on every weekend you will travel from here. I might be thought you will aware of these things. Yeah.
okay,
Oh,
but
this
we
see what good design of this company. How it looks, right?
It's looking only empty. I don't know.
That is empty. I am also not aware from last 3 to 4 years. I am looking at this place, but it looks empty only. But beautiful view, right? Yes, man.
Yes.
Hi, Rangesh.
Hi.
It's very as per construction.
As
Yes,
per
yes.
construction it is a very difficult. But right now,
This is empty, right?
but I don't see there any under the campus.
There are little bit trees are available. Some of trees. This is a Manpa bus, 100 number bus from Manpa to phase 3. Okay. This is a footpath. Now I think it's Infosys one, right? Or I need to go. No, I think.
Yes, the smell is coming in Infosys.
No, don't talk like that, bro. That is my first company as a IT engineer.
You know next is our company.
Yes. So basically, when I joined,
I said, good
But,
smell is coming.
yeah. Actually, basically, what happened, do you know, bro? In my 3.5 years of experience, I didn't visited this one phase 1 office.
Why, bro?
I am not sure, yaar. I didn't. What we can say? I can't come across to visit this office.
It seems like all your friends are working is there only.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
yeah. Actually, I thought one day I need to visit this one office also, but I didn't get that chance. So it's okay now. In future, I will come back and visit this office. Okay. Now Infosys are having another 2-3 buildings in Kharadi or somewhere like.
You could have come here.
Yeah, will definitely, bro.
Because sometimes life won't give you more opportunity.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's why I'm thinking taking a bike,
Oh,
buying a bike, not a taking, buying a bike.
yeah, okay. Basically, when I joined from Infosys from my college, okay, so it's my 3.6 years. I feel like I'm still is in college only.
Why, bro? Why like that?
I'm not sure, but it feels like that only. The campus, inside that campus, there are n number of trees. There, the noise of that, what you can say, birds.
Okay.
Yeah.
But bro, you are talking like outside only. Give me some glimpse of your working.
No,
What
no,
you-
I'm
what
not.
did you
That
work?
that is what you can say. This is Infosys.
Confidential.
That is, those things are confidential. So I'm not going to share.
Say
Right?
true, na. In 3 years, you didn't get any project on that.
No, bro. So now it goes.
Bro, you tell